Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power to your HVAC at the breaker or furnace switch to avoid sparks. Once power is off, open the old thermostat and photograph every wire and terminal label so you can match them exactly. Make sure you've identified a common C-wire or have purchased the Nest power connector. This prevents charging issues later. Now remove the old unit's faceplate carefully, keeping screws and trim, and get ready to mount the Nest base. You'll thread wires through the Nest base and insert each into its matching terminal. R for power, W for heat, Y for cooling, G for fan, and C if present. Once inserted, tug gently to confirm a secure latch. Make sure the base is level. Use a small bubble or the Nest's built-in level, then fasten the screws into drywall anchors if needed. Tuck any extra wire behind the base so none touch each other or metal, which could short the system. After mounting, restore power at the breaker and watch the Nest boot. This confirms correct wiring and power. You'll then follow the on-screen prompts to join your Wi-Fi and select system type. The thermostat will detect equipment and suggest configuration. Once set, run a heat and a cool test from the Nest menu to verify relays engage and the furnace/AC respond. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip: turn power off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.